In this video, I'm going to show you how you can load some demo data from Woocommerce into your site when you're setting it up, so that you can get all configurations and everything sorted with some data and then load your own products afterwards. Now the demo data is stored within the plugin itself, but it's much easier to go and find it from Google and download it again. So we make our way to the Woocommerce WordPress plugin, and then once we found that, we can download the plugin, and this is in my Chrome browser. So you see it downloads nicely, and if I go to downloads, I will then get a list, and I can click on Find in Folder, which I'll just have to pull across from my other window. There it is. So there's the file downloaded. All I need to do now is extract it. And I'm going to use my pkzip, so I'll just extract here, and a folder will appear with Woocommerce in it. Here we are, all the downloading files extracting themselves. So we'll just let that finish. And now we can go to Woocommerce, and in there's demo data, and that's where our file is. So all we need to do now is import that into our WordPress site. So I'll just copy that in case I need it. And we just go to Tools and Import. And then at the bottom we want the option for the WordPress importer. And now all we need to do is select that file we just downloaded, which you can see I don't have to cut and paste the URL because it's there already. So just go in and click open and ask to import that. Now we're going to be prompted to say whether we want to use another admin or ourselves or a new user as the owner of these details, which I don't want to do, but I do want to download all the attachments, which will be the images, and this will now chunk away, and I'll pause the video and come back in a second when it's done. So there we have it. In the products there are now all the download data. There it is. All the images have been downloaded as well, so I can now play around with my design, and once I've got it right, I can then remove these demo data and put my own in. And yes, there is a plugin for that as well, to remove the plugins, to remove the data of the products without touching the rest of the system. So let's just show you how you remove this data at the end. Don't put your own products on, or don't put many of your own products on until you remove the data from the demo, otherwise you're going to lose everything. So we want Woocommerce remove products. And there it is at the top, Woocommerce remove all products. That's the plugin I want. That's what I need to install into my WordPress site. Now I actually have already installed it, but you can install it by going to Plugins, Add New, and install it yourself. But when you install it, it ends up with this little item here called Remove All Products. So I'll click on that, and it will give me one simple final warning. this is going to delete all products. So not just the demo data, any products that you add will be removed when I click this button. And the products file will be empty. However, any media files, any images that have been uploaded to associate with the products will still be there, because the system wouldn't be able to tell which ones you needed and which one you don't. So you can see it's deleted all the products. If I go to products now, they've gone. See? But the images that created them are still there. So if you wanted to get rid of those, you'd have to delete them by hand. However, it's done exactly what I wanted. It's removed the products now, and I can now carry on with my site design. So thank you very much for watching.
For more info, visit wpbusinessclub.com.